Did someone tell you that pixie cuts are only flattering if you have perfect cheekbones or a celebrity glam squad? Let's set the record straight. The truth is, pixie cuts can make you look more elegant, more confident, and yes, even more youthful if you pick the right one. So before you grab those scissors or book that appointment, stick around because I'm showing you 20 elegant pixie cut ideas that are not only stunning for women over 50, but also tailored to your face shape, hair type, and lifestyle. Ready to feel fabulous? Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the classic feathered pixie. Soft, short layers and feathered edges give this pixie cut a light, elegant look. It works especially well for women with fine or thinning hair, since the layers add volume without looking too heavy. The key here is the softness. No sharp lines, just smooth, flattering movement. It's great for oval and heart-shaped faces, and the lifted crown helps to instantly refresh your look, making you appear younger and more vibrant. If you're ready to step up the style game with a little more edge while still keeping it sophisticated, let's move on to something with a bit more attitude. The Asymmetrical Pixie. The Asymmetrical Pixie is the perfect blend of chic and bold. With one side longer than the other, it creates a striking diagonal line that not only adds drama, but also slims the face. It's especially flattering for round or square face shapes as the asymmetry helps balance the angles. This cut is modern yet sophisticated, offering enough edge to feel fresh but without looking like you're trying too hard. Pair it with side-swept bangs for an added touch of class, and you've got a look that radiates confidence and elegance. Speaking of adding height and lift, the next pixie is all about volume. Let's dive into a style that will make your hair look fuller and more vibrant, the voluminous crown pixie. If you've ever struggled with flat, limp hair, this pixie is your answer. The key to this cut is volume at the crown, while keeping the sides slightly shorter. The added height elongates the face and makes your whole look appear more lifted, giving you that youthful appearance you're after. Now that we've talked about lift, let's take a look at a style that combines lift with movement, making it both elegant and flirty. The Sideswept Pixie. This style is all about creating beautiful, soft movement. By sweeping the fringe dramatically to one side, it instantly highlights the cheekbones and draws attention to your eyes. It also softens a square jaw or balances a high forehead, making it a great choice for women with angular features. If you're looking for something a bit bolder but still refined, then the next cut might just be your perfect match. The Undercut Pixie. Yes, you can absolutely rock an undercut over 50 and do it with sophistication. The secret to making this look elegant is balancing the edgy undercut with longer, voluminous layers on top. This contrast removes weight from thick hair and adds definition, creating a polished yet daring appearance. If that sounds like a bit much, don't worry. The next pixie is softer with just as much style. If you're not ready to commit to a super short pixie but still want a shorter, stylish look, the grown-out pixie is the way to go. This cut is perfect for women who want something in between, sitting just below the crown and skimming the ears. It gives you just enough length to experiment with styling, but is still short enough to keep things light and easy to manage. Ready for something with more texture and personality? Let's talk about the next cut that embraces your natural curls. For those of you blessed with curls, the curly pixie is your chance to showcase them with elegance. This cut is playful, full of personality, and best of all, it embraces your natural texture. The key to making this look sophisticated is finding a stylist who knows how to shape your curls without adding bulk, ensuring the volume is controlled and flattering. But if you're more of a sleek, polished type, the next pixie is perfect for that sophisticated, boss lady vibe, the slicked back pixie. This pixie cut screams sophistication. Perfect for straight hair, or when you want a sleek, polished look, the slicked back pixie is styled back from the forehead using a light hold product. This style shows off your bone structure, bringing attention to your eyes and lips, and it gives you an effortlessly chic, refined look. But if you're in the mood for something with a little more texture and volume, check out the neck style, which balances that perfectly. The tousled pixie with bangs. If you love that effortless, just woke up feeling fabulous vibe, this tousled pixie with bangs is for you. It's soft, slightly messy, and perfect for women who want a style that's a bit more relaxed, yet still flattering. The bangs help soften the forehead, making it a great choice for women with deeper set lines or angular features. Want something with more attitude and movement? Keep watching because the next pixie is all about that fun, carefree energy. The pixie shag. The pixie shag is the perfect combination of a pixie cut with attitude. With piecey layers and lots of movement, it's a fun, carefree style that brings personality to your look. This cut is ideal if you have naturally thick or slightly wild hair and want to embrace that texture with elegance. Now, if you want something a little more dramatic, but still incredibly stylish, wait until you hear about the deep side part pixie. Sometimes all it takes is a little shift in how you part your hair to completely transform your look. A deep side part adds instant drama, volume, and balance. This style is especially helpful for women with round faces or wide foreheads, as it creates a slimming effect. If you're someone who loves embracing your natural beauty, the next pixie is all about showcasing your gorgeous grey hair. You know, like salt and pepper, why cover up your greys when you can highlight them with a sleek, simple pixie? The salt and pepper pixie is a chic way to embrace your natural colour while keeping the style modern and fresh. Ask your stylist to add soft layers with a bit of lift at the crown to keep the style from looking flat. For those who love natural texture, the next pixie is all about enhancing those waves with ease. Who doesn't love the wavy pixie? If your hair has a natural wave or body, a wavy pixie cut is the perfect way to embrace that texture while keeping things stylish. The layers enhance your waves, adding movement and dimension without the need for heat styling. And speaking of flattering shapes, the next pixie is perfect for creating a more sculpted look. The graduated pixie. This pixie cut has a slight angle with shorter hair at the back and longer strands in the front. This cut elongates the neck and jawline, making it super flattering for fuller faces. The graduated pixie strikes a lovely balance between sharp and soft, giving you a sculpted yet effortless vibe. If you're looking for something bold, check out the next pixie that makes a statement, the micro pixie. The micro pixie is as short as it gets, but when done right, it's elegant and minimalist. This cropped style draws attention to your features, highlighting your eyes, cheekbones, and accessories. Looking for something with a little playful charm? The next pixie has just the right amount of fun. The flipped-out pixie is the right one to go. A subtle nod to the 60s, this pixie flips out at the ends for a playful, charming effect. It's elegant without being too serious, and it adds a fun vintage touch to your style. This cut is perfect for women with longer necks and oval or heart-shaped faces. If you love texture with a bit more definition, the next pixie is ideal for creating movement and volume. The choppy pixie with bangs. This choppy pixie brings texture and personality into the mix. The uneven bangs add volume and a carefree vibe, making it perfect for women who want something a little less polished, but still flattering. Looking for something that frames the face beautifully? The next pixie is all about highlighting your features, the one with the face framing pieces. The pixie with strategically placed face framing pieces is all about drawing attention exactly where you want it. These longer pieces around the cheekbones or jawline visually lift the face and soften the overall cut. Now, if you're someone who loves versatility and variety, the next pixie is perfect for those who want more freedom with styling. The long top pixie is all about contrast. With the sides and back cropped short and the top left longer, this style offers more styling freedom. Flip it, part it, tousle it, or slick it back. It's perfect for women who want the flexibility of a shorter cut with the ability to change things up. And for what I have promised, Let's talk about the Pixie that beautifully highlights your natural color. This pixie cut is magic for embracing grey hair. Rather than trying to cover up your greys, this cut blends them into soft highlights or lowlights, creating a multi-dimensional, flattering look. The pixie cut enhances this contrast in a way that looks modern, stylish, and empowering. So, which pixie cut are you excited to try next? Drop a comment below and let me know. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and if you enjoyed watching this video, you will definitely love this next one.